RMH Systems. We just moved into a beautiful new space here this summer. We wanted to give you a little glimpse into what it's like working here at RMH. Check out our new space here in Minnetonka, Minnesota. So please join me and take a look around. Well, thanks for coming by and checking out the new digs with RMH. We appreciate the opportunity. Again, we're the Midwest leading integrator for material handling, packaging, robotic solutions. You know, we take pride in the places we work, we take pride in our people, and most importantly, we take pride in our customer base and the solutions and the works that we do. So thanks for coming to see us, and hopefully we get to see you soon.